we will be installing these IJDM toys on my E93. And it's the DTM style RGB headlights. So far I have removed these 4 torque screws with their T20 right now. I'm now just removing these bolts in here so I can get the rest of the bumper off. I have to do that on the other side too. So I'll check back in when I get that done. A lot of wheel turning and awkward positions, but we got all the trim off and all the screws. Now we can clean this up and fix our carbon fiber splitters. So next is just getting the headlights out. We finally got both lights out. There's 3 extra screws here that were not in the instructions. And it was just a pain to get out, so do not recommend taking out your 2012 headlights. Down here, our guards are a little ripped out, broken. There's another one back there, ripped out, broken. There in the back. It's on this side too. So while we have this off, we're probably just gonna try to fix this. Tread's a little low on this side. So then we're gonna have to split up in these headlights, probably with a heat gun. Haven't figured that part out yet. Not the best instructions that we got, but we'll make it work.
See right there. Little black jump right there.
Yeah.
Let's see.
This project turned out to be a lot more difficult than we intended it to be, so we were not able to film the rest of the process. But I can tell you what we did. First thing we did was to split open the headlights using a heat gun. Then we installed the angel eyes and taped them down using double-sided tape. Then we sealed the lights back together by reheating the glue and putting the cover back on the lights. And after this, we did this for both headlights. We put the headlights back into the car, screwed everything back in, and then we reinstalled the bumper and all of the screws. Finally, we sorted out all the cable management and made everything look neat. I'm very pleased with this light quality as they are very bright. Although the instructions for installing were not very good, we were able to manage and install everything.